Max, say hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
What are we playing? What are we playing?
Don't know.
We don't know. Well, what have we got?
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 10.
10 what?
10.
Okay. And we've got a farm. And what's in the box? Animals.
Yep. We're not filled up the snow.
You're not filled up the snow?
No.
Okay, let's fill up the snow.
You need to get that.
Okay.
Like you. We need to just snow off here.
That's a good idea.
And break it off with it. That way.
Look at all the snow on that bucket next to you.
There.
Next to you. Oh, it's on your hand. Max, look. Woo! Snow. Is that making your hand wet?
Yeah.
Snow makes your hand wet. What are you filling up?
No.
What are you putting it into?
My hand is
Right. What noise does it make? That's a good noise. Are you making some footprints?
No.
We can see everywhere your trucks have been, can't we? Because we can see all the tyre tracks in the snow.
We're here.
Can you see?
Hello?
Are you going to make some room for your animals then?
That's my room.
Okay. What we put in first? I think first we might need a fence so the animals don't escape. What do you think?
Yep.
Okay. Where's that going to go?
Right there.
Okay.
And I need to get some snow out.
Oh, that's good. Then they don't get cold feet. And what animals would you like in there first? What have we got? Oh, what's that?
Pig.
Oh, it's a piggy. Oh, I found some more piggies. I've got baby piggies too.
Then I need to,
Oh!
then need to go in there.
Oh, look at this little baby one. What colour are the pigs?
Pig.
That's right, they're pink.
Oh, no.
Have they filled up all of that fence, or that pen? Should we have a look? How many piggies are in that fence?
1, 2, 3,
4. 4 piggies. So, do you think they need some food?
Yeah.
What have we got in there that we can feed them? I think I can see some hay. That yellow hay.
And then for piggy.
Oh, right. Oops.
That for piggy.
Oh, okay.
Then how you go there?
Oh, that's good.
How would you hold? What do we come up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here.
6. Are we getting them out then? Are you making room for them? Oh, what's going to go in your farm? What's going to go in the house? Are you eating all the snow off your fingers?
Yeah. Make it very cold.
Okay, so can you find... Oh, that looks good to move the snow. Let's have a look and see if it works. Does it work?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Wow.
Oh, did it get stuck? Try on another bit. yeah, that's doing a very good job. I think that one could be a snowplow. Oh! Did you get all your hand in snow? Oh no! We need to get something to get him out then. What could possibly save him?
The crane!
The crane?
Yes!
Okay. Where is it?
The excavator.
Oh yeah, the excavator. They'd be good. So what do you have to do then?
Dig it up.
Okay. Is he stuck in a hole? Do you have to dig him out?
Yeah.
Is the excavator doing the job? Mummy can't even say that word.
Now we're getting.
Yay!
How he does now. Yes.
Oh, is he doing some more digging? Wow, look at the marks that he makes in the snow. Isn't it fun how different things make different marks in the snow? Do you think they'd also make marks in sand?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about water? Do you think you can make marks in water?
No.
Clever boy, that's right. You can't make marks in water.
What?
Oh, it's full of snow. I think you've got some more animals in here that look hungry. This one looks odd, look. It's white and fluffy like a sheep, but look at its face. What could that be? What could that be, Max? It's got horns. You don't know? I think it might be a goat. What do you think? Goat or a ram? Which one? They like the cold. You're cold? Would you like to go in?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Again.
Again? Are we coming back out to play again in a bit?
I'm cold now.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.